In a world driven by data and technology, artificial intelligence stands as a beacon of innovation. Join us as we dive into the depths of AI, unraveling its complexities and exploring its endless possibilities. Let's explore the wonders of AI together. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems and machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI systems can analyze large amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on that information. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, encompasses a diverse spectrum of technologies and capabilities. At its core, AI can be classified into three main categories, each representing distinct levels of intelligence and functionality. The three main categories are narrow AI, general AI, and artificial superintelligence. Let's explore these categories and unravel the fascinating world of AI. In the first category, we have narrow AI. Narrow AI is also known as weak AI. Two examples of narrow AI are virtual assistants and recommendation systems. The second category is general AI. General AI is also known as strong AI. Examples of general AI are self-driving cars and chess-playing programs. In the third category, we have artificial superintelligence, with ASI abbreviation. Examples of artificial superintelligence are medical diagnosis and climate modeling. Now let us talk about specialized technologies of AI. AI encompasses various specialized technologies that enable machines to perform specific tasks with precision and efficiency. Each specialized technology plays a crucial role in advancing AI capabilities and expanding its applications across diverse domains. The following are some specialized technologies of artificial intelligence: reactive machines, self-aware AI, assistive intelligence, autonomous AI, machine learning systems, natural language processing systems, also known as NLP, and computer vision systems. Now let's talk about specialized AI applications. Businesses benefit from specialized AI applications in numerous ways. These applications enhance efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, streamline decision-making processes through data analysis and predictive insights, and improve customer experiences with personalized recommendations and efficient service delivery. Overall, specialized AI applications empower businesses to optimize operations, drive growth, and stay competitive in today's dynamic marketplace. Some of specialized applications of AI include healthcare diagnostics, financial forecasting, autonomous vehicles, smart assistants, cybersecurity solutions, precision agriculture, virtual customer assistance. As we conclude our exploration of the spectrum of artificial intelligence, we stand in awe of its transformative power and boundless potential. From narrow AI to artificial superintelligence and specialized applications across diverse domains, AI continues to redefine what's possible. Let's journey into the future, where innovation knows no limits, and the promise of AI shines brightly. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.